Okay, well, thank you very much for making this school a special place to work. I feel very fortunate to be able to teach here. Once upon a time, there was a student and a family. They were on a journey to help the student find a way through life. During this journey, the student arrived in HW land, and the family was joined by a group of adults. Together, they hoped to produce an independent, contributing member of society. One of those adults was a math teacher. What was this adult doing in this group? The student wasn't going to be a math teacher, so why did this student need to sit under the direction of this adult? Well, this teacher thought he could use mathematics to teach life lessons. The student can learn the method and meaning of mathematics. The method can teach the student structure, order, and discipline. But without meaning, the method had no purpose. The meaning of math can teach students understanding and reason. And here's what I mean. Relax. I'm not going to ask you for the answer. But right now, many of you are thinking, should I add or multiply the exponents? And that's just a rule. It's a method. And too many students think that's all math is. And for many of you, that's all you think math is. But meaning, doesn't x squared mean x times x? Doesn't x cubed mean x times x times x? Does an exponent mean how many x's there are? Who needs the rules? I don't think math should be taught with too many rules, if you can give them the background behind them. I think it's a better way to go. Plus, for the midterm and final, they'll remember, as opposed to which rule is it again, right? Teaching the meaning of mathematics will also help the student overcome careless mistakes. You know, I'd be a pretty good math student except. Careless mistakes, I think, occur when we just follow a method without thinking. Using rules, like we just did, formulas, where you just plug in, shortcuts, which you do, I don't know what, miscopying a question, canceling is the worst. And pushing the wrong button on the calculator, you'll never know. All of these require no thinking. Meaning requires thinking and understanding. Now, whether this is Einstein or not, I don't care. But the thought is good. Education is not the learning of many facts, but the training of the mind to think. And that's my hope. I'm also going to try to teach them organizational skills, which they hate. I have them keep a portfolio for each unit in a very specific regimented order. But what they then are doing is preparing for the midterm and final, because they can transfer this to a bigger binder at home as opposed to looking in their locker, in their backpack, in the trunk of their car to find stuff, right? It's all in one place. This teacher will also work with the family to teach this student accountability. Monthly reports. I'm not waiting for the quarter. Monthly reports will be emailed to parents and students to keep the family abreast of the student's progress. And this is what it'll look like. You'll see each progress report and hopefully the progress, upward path, each time we have another report come out. The family might consider including a tutor in this process. The family must consider the following question. Will the tutor teach method and meaning, or only practice method after method after method? there's a chair next to my desk where I would like the first chance to work with them, because I'm the master. The school has provided the teacher with the ability to communicate effectively with the student. I love the hub. Everything I need is there, and everything I hope they need is there. There is a monthly calendar actually out there where they can see what they're doing every day. They can download the daily notes. They can download or watch the daily videos. I record every day's class, so if they're absent, they won't miss a thing. In fact, you're right, they don't have to come to class. But even if they come to class, people use the videos because how much of what you hear the first time you remember? They can pause me, they can rewind me. If they want, they can fast forward me. And there's no excuse to not know what the assignment is. Everything is there on their phone, on their device, whatever. You know, they're all connected, right? They have no chance. The dean will join this team to help plan the continuing journey to Big U land. And through that, oops, this is the wrong slide, but there's another slide about what this course and what it goes towards. There'll be some sort of calculus class in their senior year. Again, the goal is to be able to have the student stand alone. Well, you'll still be there. It is my hope that we all live happily ever after for this year. You guys have a great year. We'll be in touch.